Of the best color iPhones. I already did the worst one, so it's only right for me to do this video. Let me know in the comment section what color phone you got. If you have purple, I know you're a W. 9 times out of 10, you're a creative person as well. Anyone I know with this color, bro, they be thinking of some shit I could never even imagine. Then it's hella rare. I can count on one hand how many times I've seen this color in person. If you got it, let me know. Gold, I know you rich as hell. You got one of the best phones in the country. I can only imagine what a hood nigga would do when he see this phone. He gonna snatch it straight out your damn hands. Look at this motherfucker. This shit, man, this shit looks expensive. These be the people on Instagram following 4 people, got 100K followers, bro. I know you popping. You take aesthetic photos on this bit, bro. You him. Matter of fact, stitch the video if you got this, bro. I gotta follow you. Is it just me? But people with a blue phone, bro, they be the coolest motherfuckers. My homies who got a blue iPhone, bro, the second they pull out their phone, bro, they get the girl number. It's no questions asked. It's gotta be one of the best colorways that Apple came out of. This, bro, it just looks aesthetically pleasing. As an honorable mention, we have to put red. I used to be